Right, hi everybody. I'm just doing you another video on a iron which won't take water into the tank. The water fill-up tank is full, but it's not filling this up. If I take that valve out and clean that thing, and then you turn it on, it will take one tank full of water in, and then that's it. It won't do anymore. So I was just twice I've cleaned that, and it's not taking water into the tank after the first fill. What I mean is, like, you use it, it uses the first tank full, and it should be taking water in there all the time, topping it up, but it's not doing that. And the only thing I've never changed is this, which I'm assuming is the pump, which pumps the water from the top-up tank into the steam reservoir. Now this thing is hidden in here. So I had an iron which had an electrical fault, which I changed this motherboard here. It works for one time and then cut out, done exactly the same. So whatever had caused it to burn the motherboard out, did it again. So I've got one iron now which is totally for spares. So I'm just swapping this part out to see if it fixes the problem of topping the steam reservoir up. And if it works, I'll add a video onto the end of this telling you that it works, or I'll put an ad in the put a link in the description. Now that is a bit of a sod to get out that thing. You have to disconnect this pipe off the top. It's only got two wires attached to it. This must be like an overflow pipe that just fits into the base, but you have to manhandle this out and get that pump out, disconnect it. And these plastic things on here, the edges of them are so sharp, you really got to watch. All the plastic edges in here are obviously not designed to rest your hand on, so it's a bit of a job getting that out. And these pipes are really tight. You have to sort of lever that one. Once you've got that clamp off, you have to lever these pipes off with a screwdriver before you go and pull them off. And you've got to make sure you get these pipes in the right orientation when you put it back together. So again, take a photo from the top looking down and take a photo of the two wires that go onto the bottom of the pump. So I'm just going to pop this one back together and fire it up and see if it takes water in. So this is a iron that will not fill itself up with water. Right, just a quick note, if you're watching this video and you do decide to put the iron itself in vinegar, only put it in, when you stand it in a tray of vinegar, only put it in enough vinegar just to cover that bit of the sole plate. Don't go filling it right up, because the vinegar can get up inside, and there's, in the back of on the sole plate is two electrical connections, and if the vinegar starts to get into the sole plate, it can start corroding inside. So you only need to put 3 or 4 millimeters of vinegar in your baking tray when you stand your iron in it to dissolve the lime scale which is in the holes of the sole plate. If I'm talking, like, if you get lime deposits like this in there, you need to clean that out. Okay, so if this works, I'll put it in the description. Okay, bye.